In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your order status on the Mango website. Let's dive in, making sure you have all the information you need right at your fingertips. Firstly, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever else you enjoy using. Once you're there, head on over to mango.com. Just type it into the address bar at the top and press enter. This is your main gateway to checking your Mango order status. Now that you're on the Mango website, the next step is to log into your account. Look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll spot the Sign In button. Give that a click. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password, the same ones you used when placing your order. If you ordered through a guest account and don't have a password, you may need to have your order number and the email you used handy. These are essential if you need to track your order without logging into a registered account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the My Orders section. This can be done by clicking on your profile icon or your name, which should also be located towards the top of the page. Clicking on it will open up a menu or dashboard depending on the website layout. From this drop-down or dashboard, select My Orders. This will bring you to a comprehensive list of all your recent orders. Here, you'll see your order list, which also includes status updates. The updates are conveniently labeled, showing statuses like processing, shipped, or delivered, so you can get a clear understanding of where your package currently is. This feature is incredibly helpful if you're anxiously awaiting your purchases and want to have peace of mind knowing when they will arrive. If you need more detailed information about a specific order, simply check the order details. Click on the order you're curious about. Doing this will show you more specifics about that particular transaction, such as the order date, item descriptions, and any other pertinent information that Mango offers. And there you have it. Following these steps will allow you to easily track and manage your orders on the Mango website. It's really that simple and straightforward. This will help ensure you stay updated on your purchase and have complete visibility into the status of your order. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made it easy for you to track your Mango order. Have a great day with your new insights on navigating the Mango website.